Hi students, yesterday we completed fat soluble vitamins. Today we discuss water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are B complex vitamins and C vitamins. So vitamin B is not a single vitamin, it is a group of complex vitamins. First we discuss B complex vitamins. Vitamin B1, commonly called anti-beriberi factor. Anti-beriberi factor. Its chemical name is thiamine. Thiamine. Functions of vitamin B1 is it plays an important role in growth and proper functioning of nervous system. So it helps in growth and proper functioning of nervous system. Deficiency disorders of vitamin B1. Deficiency causes beriberi. Deficiency of B1 vitamin causes beriberi, in which partial paralysis of smooth muscles of gastrointestinal tract and paralysis of skeletal muscle occurs. So our body made by bones, muscles, etc. We have three types of muscles. Number one, skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Skeletal muscles. What are skeletal muscles? The muscles which are attached to bones are called skeletal muscles. Cardiac muscles. The muscles which are present in the wall of heart are called cardiac muscles. The smooth muscles are located in the walls of viscera or internal organs like alimentary canal, kidneys, etc. So the wall deficiency of B1 vitamin causes beriberi, in which partial paralysis of smooth muscles of gastrointestinal tract. Here gastrointestinal tract means alimentary canal or gut. So next, and paralysis of skeletal muscles occurs. So the smooth muscles of gastrointestinal tract and skeletal muscles muscles are right. So paralysis occurs in smooth muscles and skeletal muscles. Next, vitamin B2. Chemical name is riboflavin. Riboflavin. Functions. It is a component of two coenzymes, namely flavin mononucleotide (FMN), flavomononucleotide, and flavin adenine dinucleotide (FAD), flavin adenine dinucleotide. So these are the two coenzymes. So B2 vitamin is a component of these two coenzymes. These coenzymes are involved in oxidative phosphorylation process. In this process, energy is released. Next, deficiency of vitamin B2 results in dryness of lips, resulting in cracking of lips and corners of mouth called chylosis. So deficiency of B2 vitamin causes chylosis. in which dryness of lips resulting in cracking of lips and corners of mouth. Next, another disease. Deficiency of B2 vitamin also causes glossitis. Glossitis, in which inflammation of tongue takes place. Inflammation of tongue. Next, deficiency of B2 vitamin causes seborrheic dermatitis. Seborrheic dermatitis, in which skin on nose and ears becomes scaly and greasy. Scaly and greasy. So this is B2 vitamin. Next, vitamin B6. Chemical name is pyridoxine. The vitamin B6 synthesized by intestinal microbes or bacteria. So vitamin B6 is synthesized by microorganisms in the alimentary canal. Functions: it helps in utilization of iron in hemoglobin synthesis. Hemoglobin contains iron, so the formation of hemoglobin needs iron. So the vitamin B6 helps in utilization of iron in hemoglobin synthesis. So it helps in hemoglobin synthesis. It helps in the production of antibodies. So the B6 vitamin helps in the production of antibodies. Antibodies protects our body from microorganisms. Next, deficiency disorders. Deficiency in children causes convulsions. Convulsions. Deficiency also causes hypochromic microcytic anemia. Hypochromic microcytic anemia. So the size of the RBC is small than normal RBC or healthy RBC. So in this disorder, the size of the RBC is decreased. So it is smaller than the normal RBC. Next, vitamin B12. Chemical name is cyanocobalamin. So the chemical name of vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin. It is the coenzyme for the maturation of RBC. So vitamin B12 helps in the maturation of RBC. RBC means red blood cells. It takes part in the synthesis of DNA. DNA means deoxyribose nucleic acid. It is present on the chromosomes. DNA locates on the chromosomes. DNA helps in heredity. Heredity means the characters from transfer from parents to offsprings or next generation. So DNA helps in heredity. So B12 vitamin helps in synthesis of DNA. Deficiency disorders. Deficiency leads to pernicious anemia. Pernicious anemia and degenerative changes in spinal cord. Spinal cord. Spinal cord is the part of central nervous system. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. So deficiency of B12 vitamin causes degenerative changes in spinal cord. Next, vitamin B3, commonly called niacin or antipellagra vitamin. Antipellagra vitamin. Chemical name is nicotinic acid. Nicotinic acid. Functions of B3 vitamin are: it is a part of coenzymes like NAD and NADP, which are essential for the formation of ATP in electron transport system. So B3 vitamin helps in formation of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, energy currency. Deficiency disorders. Deficiency causes pellagra, characterized by diarrhea, motions, dermatitis, skin problems or allergies, and dementia. Dementia is due to disturbances of nervous system. Dementia is due to disturbances of nervous system. Next, vitamin B9, folacin, commonly called folacin. Chemical name is folic acid. Folic acid. Functions: coenzyme needed for nucleoprotein synthesis. Nucleoproteins are adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. These are the nucleoproteins. So vitamin B9 helps in the formation of nucleoproteins. It also takes part in the formation of RBC and WBC, red blood cells and white blood cells. So B9 vitamin helps in the formation of red blood cells and white blood cells. Deficiency disorders of B9 vitamin or deficiency leads to macrocytic anemia. Macrocytic means the size of the RBC is increase. Called macrocytic anemia. Deficiency causes delay in replication of DNA. Next, vitamin B7, commonly called biotin. It is sulfur-containing vitamin. It is synthesized by the microorganisms of gastrointestinal tract. So, B7 vitamin is produced by microorganisms which are live in the alimentary canal. Functions: enzyme needed for protein and fatty acid synthesis. Helps in protein and fatty acid synthesis. Deficiency: biotin deficiency is reported from persons who consume raw eggs. So the deficiency of biotin is the person who takes raw eggs. Raw eggs contains a protein called avidin. It inactivates biotin and thus the organism suffers from the deficiency of this vitamin. So the avidin inactivates the biotin vitamin. Next, pantothenic acid. It is also a B complex vitamin. It is synthesized by intestinal microbes or microorganisms. Its chemical name is pantothenic acid. It is functions. It is a constituent of coenzyme A. Deficiency disorders. Deficiency causes poor growth, early aging, and premature graying of hair. Graying of hair means white hair. So deficiency causes poor growth, early aging, and premature graying of hair. So these are the B complex vitamins. Next, water soluble vitamin is vitamin C, commonly called anti scarbiotic vitamin. It prevents scurvy disease. Hence the name anti-scarbiotic vitamin. Its chemical name is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid. Functions. It provides resistance. It provides resistance. It acts as an antioxidant. Vitamin C acts as antioxidant. Vitamin C helps in wound repair. Wound repair. Vitamin C dissolve cholesterol in our body. Next, deficiency leads to scurvy. So deficiency of C vitamin causes scurvy disease. It is characterized by skin eruptions, swollen and bleeding gums of teeth, hemorrhage. Hemorrhage means bleeding, and poor healing of wounds. These are the characters of scurvy disease. Next, generally the main sources of B complex vitamins are liver, milk, eggs, kidneys, fish, cereals, pulses, nuts, beans, leafy vegetable. Some of the B complex vitamins are produced by intestinal microbes, like example vitamin B6, vitamin B7, pantothenic acid, etc. These are synthesized by microorganisms which are live in our intestine or alimentary canal. Main sources of vitamin C is citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like lemon, orange, guiano, etc. So these are the water soluble vitamins. So these are fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins.